as I age, I've figured out na yung feeling ng head over heels or like yung feeling ng excitement is connected sa chaos. Connected, when I say chaos, it could be multiple things like arguments and whatnot. Yung pagigisa sa'yo, like for example, sino kasama mo, saan ka galing. So like, na-associate siya dun sa feeling na feeling loved by the person kapag ginigisa ka. So, exciting kasi nagsiselo sila. Exciting yung relationship kasi um, tinatanong kung nasan ka, parang ginigisa ka. Over dun sa calm yung relationship. In this case, yung relationship ko ngayon na parang, let's say, for example, pag uwi ng bahay, kayakapin ka, hahalikan ka, tapos kakain na kayo. Very, very simple life.